Welcome to another edition of Hand-Laid Tracks and 3D Printed Things with Socrates. Today we're looking at Benchy McBenchface. Decided to make a planter. There was the Colts contest for a planter, and I thought, you know what? Never made a Benchy before. I'll make a Benchy out of a planter out of Benchy. It has the water is the tray for below it, and Benchy himself got a couple holes in the bottom. Couple holes in the back. You put yourself a little flag. Mine is Dutch. Got the name on the front, on the bow, on both sides, and also on the back, because Benchy McBenchface, pretty proud of himself. So if you want to make yourself a little boat, I did it with a two-color on the body. So I used a two-color print. Changed the color of the filament halfway through. I made a video about how to change filaments as well. Link will be in the bottom. And you can make yourself a little Benchy McBenchface. Plant yourself some plants. Windowsill planter. If you pour water in through the funnel, it'll come out through two holes in the front and the back out of the cabin and water the front and the back slightly. And it's a fun little print. I've never made a Benchy before. So for me to make a Benchy, I had to actually make a Benchy. Benchy McBenchface. Get it on Colts. Print yourself a planter. Woo-hoo. It's Benchy McBenchface. So if you like it, please go to Colts, give it a like for the contest, download it for free, print yourself out a Benchy. And you can go sailing into adventure with a Benchy McBenchface. Like it on Colts. Thanks. Check it out. Checking it out.